Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I am going to show you guys something you may have not known about your iPhone, what it can do. This will work on, as far as I know, any version of the iPhone. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to triple tap the back of my phone, and you'll see that this pops up. This, little app thing for the thing. Normally, you'd have to swipe from the top to get pop up, but I literally just triple tapped. Now, there's a reason that is a thing because there are two hidden buttons of sorts on the back of iPhones, and I'll show you how to access them right now. What we're going to do is go to settings, and then under settings, go to accessibility, okay? Once you get to accessibility, click on touch. Once you are at touch, scroll to the very bottom. There will be a back touch. It's off by default. What you want to do is go to the back touch. There are two things there, and you can assign both of them. Double tap and triple tap. There's a lot of things you can actually assign down here. App switcher, I assigned control center, but you can assign the home button. You can assign a bunch of things. You can even assign background sounds if you really want to. So that's pretty cool. For the sake of this, I'm going to assign home to double tap. So I should be able to double tap and go home. I'm not always the fastest tapper in the world, but yeah. Then if I triple tap, that happened, double tap, I go home. See, plain simple. I have to brush up on my tapping skills, But yeah, it is actually a very cool thing. As you see, I'm just sort of messing with it right now. But yeah, that's quick, simple. Hopefully this has helped you. If you want more deep dive secrets into stuff, definitely let me know. Comment section below. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.